Did you know one thing? Nobert Mao, who is also a minister in Uganda, took to X on the 3rd of May to express his worry about the future of the safety of the home of the Chief Justice of Uganda. He posted a video on his account and said, "I took this video from the compound of the official residence of the Chief Justice of Uganda. Current and future Chief Justices will lack privacy because this high-rise building will be overlooking their home. Did KCCAUG consider this before issuing the building permit?" So, Mao is worried that this building is high to the extent that the people who will be in that building will be able to be spying the home of the Chief Justice, that is the official residence of the Chief Justice of Uganda. Currently, Owendolo Chigamoy is the Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda.